We can bring it up here, Lacey. We can bring it up here.
Be the camera person.
Get the... Oh. Getting on.
This is so ridiculous.
Oh, we go.
This is amazing.
He's not
Is
in
it
really.
centered?
He's sort of in it.
That's good.
That's good. Okay.
He's in so much pain. You didn't get it off your mouth.
It's okay, it's okay. Keep going.
Oh my god, it's gonna be... It's been a minute.
Come on, dude, you can do it. he's in so much pain.
Get the camera! I gotta take some pictures of this guy.
Oh, he didn't show you guys when I got his.
Keep going, dude. How many more? How many more?
Your mouth has got me so hot.
We should just like
His works fast.
He has like 8 minutes left. How'd you eat so fast?
Why are you screaming your phone?
Ooh,
take pictures.
8 or 7.
Yeah, he's doing good. Where's your take?
10 minutes, 33 months.
It's the last 5 that kill you, though.
He's only having 10 then, right?
Oh, he's got 4 more. I don't want
Dude, just stuff them down. As hard as it sounds,
I don't know how.
just stick it in your mouth and put it down.
Were you like...
That is not what she said.
Who's driving Chad's home? Because I don't think he's gonna be able to listen enough.
He does it. I can't believe he's late. This is the funniest footage I think like a human can see.
It's gotta be on YouTube.
It's along the lines of someone getting kicked in the nuts. Oh yeah, it's definitely along this line.
Yes! Coverage live!
No! Chad, don't be embarrassed. It's a heroic
Chad,
feat.
don't even bother chewing, just swallow it.
Like I said!
Oh, his mouth. There's so many in there. You can't just keep them all in your mouth forever.
Just smoke it. Just smoke it.
Swallow it.
9 more minutes.
6, yeah.
You can do it. Almost there.
Only 15 more to go.
The more you stop, the longer it's gonna take.
I know, just keep going. Just keep going.
How many do you have left? 3?
2.
Oh, you can do it.
Oh, that thing's huge.
It was a big weight. It was a huge weight. He tried the whole one. It was a macho weight.
Holy crap.
Does the meat taste good?
No.
One kettle. One more. You need to get this down in 5 minutes.
Oh, you've got 5 minutes.
Friday restaurant.
This
You just
hurts
have to
so
like,
bad.
you just have to triple it.
Building Marine Corps. The Proud, the Marine. And by AdidasBasketball.com. It's 6'5".
I love that he sets it down. Because they're wait.
Dude, there's one more, man. You can do it. Oh, last swing.
Hit the monster one?
Oh, oh, you got it. Oh, yes. Yay. Oh yeah, why is it not down your throat?
I think the biggest key is not dying after.
Look at that giant lump in his just meat stuck there.
Now, see that cover. It's like got floaties in it.
Created napkins, that's good.
No,
Remember how many napkins we went through last time?
calling me.
Don't answer the phone right now.
No.
Down to 6 for Bonavicci.
I saw the little launch coming.
just swallow. It's painful to watch.
Just. How good the swallowing sound, dude? It's all gone.
Pretty full on
This one needs to be perfect. Just need to see his painful face.
Did it.
29 points.
4 minutes.
I gotta do more.
You have 4 minutes to get down there 10 weeks in the competition.
He's like 3 minutes. Yeah.
You can do.
Gonna work on that speed.
My lips are on fire.
I think milk would help though, seriously.
No, I seriously think milk would help.
Try it.
You tried it?
Just
It
drink
helps
the blue
though, what?
cheese
Soda.
dressing. Just drink some ranch.
Yeah.
Tried it. We tried everything.
Anything hot is painful though.
Yeah, these hurt so bad.
Yeah, I'd imagine.
No.
Have some coleslaw. That sounds good.
Coleslaw.
I know.
It's like cold.
Ice cold milk. It's like the only thing I can think of.
You just won't go down.
Well, dude, it can't live there. It has to go down.